Good morning, everybody. This is Terri with Terri's Travels. Guess what? My wind guards for my windows came in. I ordered them off of Amazon, and they are, let me show you. These, I thought I had bought two sets of them, one for my back and one for here. These have not come in yet for the front windows. But guess what? I've got these, and I'm going to put them in today. They came in this big old box right here, and these are WeatherTech, and I'm just so proud. I'm so glad to have these. But we're going to get these installed, and also, let me see. I'm going to show y'all something else. Look what else I got, y'all. I finally got my riser for my Hitch. You see how low my Hitch sits? So I'm so glad to have that, because this is what I carry my moped on. And I'm going to put that on there because I just want to see how, what it looks like. And give y'all an idea of how much higher that it does sit. I am so proud of this. This to me is like a little jewel. Also, I bought these for my Hitch so that I could lock everything down. I got these on Amazon too. I'll link all of this in my description below. But it's got a lock to it, if you can see. It's got a lock to it. And that way nobody can come up and take it and whatever. But yeah, this Hitch is really, it's really low. So this riser is going to help me tremendously. I'm very proud of that. Okay, look. Y'all, that was so simple to do. It was just a matter of putting the clips in at the top of the window, and then taking the sticky stuff off the back and just sliding these in. I mean, just perfect. Isn't that something? And I did that all by myself. I am so proud of myself. So in another video, what made me want to get these weather strips and wind strips or whatever, the reason why I did that is because one of the biggest reasons is I have a portable air conditioner. And a couple of several videos ago, I did one. I bring my portable air conditioner with me, especially when I can have shore power to plug it in. And in this heat, it makes it so much more comfortable to stay in my van. But I noticed that whenever I put the vent, vented there at the window and rolled the window up where there was just, where it was nice and secure, there was some clouds rumbling in the background. And I thought, oh gosh, what if it rains down this tube, this vent tube? And I didn't want that. So I got these, and not only that, I just think that sometimes you want to just roll down your windows a little bit and get some air, So, but that being said, I'm going to link those videos of my air conditioner. I'll link them in this video too. It's a pretty big air conditioner, but hey, it works for me. And so with these rain and wind guards, I think that's going to work out perfect. Maybe that'll keep the rain from dripping down into my air vent, So I'm so excited about it though. So y'all tell me, what do you use? Do you have a riser on your Hitch? And do you use wind guards? If you do, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all use. And also tell me how I can, kind of better make my little van camping experience a lot more comfortable. Every little bit helps. And it's just nice to be able to get good comments, good advice. I sure would appreciate it. And yes, now I'm going to have to roll these windows up, and they're going to have to sit for about 24 hours so that they'll be good and sturdy and, stick real well in there. And here in the next day or two, hopefully I'll get the ones for the front, I don't know why they didn't come in together. But anyway, we're going to install this today. I'm so excited for this. So let's get started with, all right, let's get this put on here. So yeah, I've been waiting on this, and I'm so excited for it. So let's get this installed real quick. Well, that was simple enough. It's ready to go. I still have the key under there. I'll have to get that out of there, but yes, look. So it's good, it's secure. I don't have to worry about somebody stealing it from me because the lock itself has a key. Let's get the moped rack on there and let's just see what it does. Because I don't have a whole lot of strength. I've got another wooden block that I like to use, but I'll prop the heavy stuff up like this so that I can have a minute to kind of get everything centered in the middle. Sometimes it takes me a minute and I don't have enough strength a lot of times, so I just make do with whatever I have. Look at my dogs. Well, that's not the white one's not mine, but Oliver is. He's got a friend over this morning. But anyway, so I'm gonna slide this on here, see how that works out. I didn't realize that there's a screw right here, and that's why it wouldn't go in. So I'm gonna unscrew that. And let's see what we can do. Ta-da! I did it all by myself. This riser, I think, gives about 6 extra inches. That makes me feel a whole lot better. And it's still far enough away that whenever I shut I don't feel like it's going to interfere with my moped. Let's hope not, anyway. I'm just so tickled. I'm so tickled. I did it. And two, I have a car pod, and it's collapsible. And it also, whenever you set it up, you can store all your stuff in it, and it does have a top on it. And I'm going to be using the riser for that too. So, but yeah, I'm so tickled. And then also I have another lock with a key so that I can secure this to the riser, and nobody can steal my stuff. So anyway, I'm so proud of that. I'm gonna link all of this in the description. I'm so proud to have this stuff together, y'all. My little van is coming together. It's gonna make my camping life so much easier and so much more convenient. All of the things that I'm trying to buy are going to make my life, I think, a whole lot easier in my van. So as far as, the camping life, and even if I just want to take road trips in it. So, and just take my moped to the park and ride it, or whatever, it's going to be, it's just, these are nice additions to have. I wanted to show y'all the air conditioner that I was talking about. This is a cool living air conditioner, and I bought it 4 or 5 years ago at Walmart and at the store, and I ordered it and just went and picked it up from the store. So these are, I guess, still available at Walmart. I'm sure you can find something comparable to it if this is something that you would be interested in. But this is what I was talking about. This part right here is the part that I was putting up in my window, and when I pull this out to adjust it to the length to try to keep any heat from coming in or air going out, it opened up this vent right here, and I didn't want any water, any rain or anything getting in this thing. So I saw the need for those wind guards and rain guards. So I bought those. I just know that they're going to be something that is going to come in very, very handy for me, you know, in my van life. So I hope this has been some help to you. I watch a lot of videos myself and get some ideas, and so I just thought I'd put this little video out here and show y'all what I've done. And when my other wind and rain guards come in from WeatherTech, I'll show those to y'all too. But everything that I've shown y'all today, I will link it in the description. Anyway, but I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all, thank you for watching, and thank you for liking and subscribing. I'm real close to my 1,000 subscribers. I'm very excited about that. And this is going to be a wonderful day. The sun is out. It's beautiful. And it's just going to be a glorious day. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about my van life. And if you'll like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Well, I am very happy for the things that I have bought. I feel like the wind guards they add, you know, make the van look a little bit nicer on the outside. And I think it is definitely going to help with any rain trying to get down into the hose of my air conditioner when I'm using it. So I feel like I did good there. So. And my riser, it rises about 6 extra inches. That way, hopefully, the car pod or my moped will not drag the ground. Will not drag the ground. I didn't realize when I had the hitch installed. I mean, I knew my van sat low to the ground, but I just didn't realize that it was. You know, I tell you what happened is one day I had to turn around in a driveway, and the driveway was sitting on like a hill, and when I tried to back up, the hitch drug and it would not let me back up. I just went into total freak out mode. I was going, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? Well, I ended up having to go up in that person's driveway and actually turning around and coming back down the hill, so that hitch wouldn't scrape. So I said, I've got to have a riser, and I cannot go up any more steep hills in it. That's just all there is to it. So that being said, but I do feel good about my air conditioner and my riser and my wind guards, and I hope this video has been helpful. So, but I just wanted to tell y'all that, and hopefully, you know, it's going to make van life a lot easier for me. There's some other things that I would like to have, but some of the things that I want to use in my on my van, I'm going to have my friend Rodney to install them on my van for me. So, but anyway, we'll get to that in another video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye.